welcome to KFC to you too.
Wait on.
What kind of custom? Forget it. I'm hungry, man. I want a big deal.
Original barbecue.
Oh, y'all have barbecue. Yeah, barbecue definitely barbecue.
That done.
So why'd you ask? Alright, never mind. Original list. Love me some KFC.
That done.
So I'm at KFC with no chicken?
Yeah, chicken done.
Chicken's
Yo,
done.
hombre, no, no, zinger.
You know what? Whatever the hell he said, just give me that. Give me the zinger.
Alright,
I'm hungry.
625.
Poor customer service, sir, but I'm hungry. No chicken. Where's your manager?
Nothing else, please.
What you mean next? Where's my zinger? How long is my zinger?
Half up on the zinger still.
Third. Forget KFC, man. I don't even want chicken.